Hi guys. Oh my god. Welcome to my vlog. So, punta kami later sa airport. Sunduin namin ang aming... Ay, shit. Edit. Sunduin namin ang aking ate. Tagalog na Tagalog. So, ayun na nga. Punta kami mamaya mga 10:30 AM. So, now is July ano ngayon, te? 11. July 11, 2024. So, punta siya dito para tumulong maglipat ng bahay. Bablog ko rin yun kung paano mag-move in, move out sa Singapore. Condo to condo. And yeah, so this is my outfit for today. Yeah, don't judge me. I can judge you. But I can judge you. So, ayan. And waiting na lang. Now is 10 AM. Waiting color. Okay. I love ko. I'm going na. Airport to fetch Mamar. Where's Tita Mamar? Are you excited, my love? Hi, Tenar. OOTD. Hey. Let's go. Hi. OOTD. Let's go. Nick James. I love you. Hi guys.
Hi!
Lakas awa lang mic.
Airport. Okay lang. Tatlo tayo maya.
Where are you going, my love? Sino sunduin natin? Mamar. Are you excited? Boo! You're speaking
Yes, Mommy, I'm
as
so
well.
excited.
Are you
Going to
excited?
airport.
Are you excited? Yes.
Also, Auntie Mama, excited to see you again. Sabi niya, nag-post siya, di ba?
Oo.
Sabi niya,
See you, NJ.
See you soon, NJ. Hindi na nila NJ, no?
Hmm.
Pero pag palayo, Nate James, right?
Ah, Nate James. Nate!
Nate lang, no?
Nate lang.
Baka ayoko ng NJ
Ay.
kasi.
Ay.
NJ. Di ba, NJ?
I love you. Terminal 1 tayo, no?
Yung sa may jewel pa rin. Yung ba yun?
Mukha pa nakakaway mo ako. Kaya ganun.
Ay, sus, are you excited? Going out. Okay? Are you okay? Good?
Punta pa ng Katong Road to.
I love you. There you go. Where we are now. Where are we? Airport na. Oh. My love. We're here now. Let's go. Dami din tao, ah. Nasa departure kami. Ngayon, bababa kami para sa arrival. Hi? Ay, relax, my love. Nakala na si Ate Mar kaninang 10... Ano oras na ba? 11 ano na? 10:55 nakalan na. Without you,
Hi,
to go?
Hi!
You want to go?
Outfit kasi si Mama, nakadilaw siya. O, tingin naman kayo, harap kayong dalawa.
Look!
Yay! Yay!
Nate!
Yay!
Yes, Ate Nor.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Laki na niya, Mama, no, right?
Kala mo, tagal din nagkita eh. 1 month lang eh. Sabi ito. Yes, so nandito na ako na siya.
Sexy yarn. Okay? Okay na, Beb.
Okay na. Yes, Ate Nor?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Ang bigat mo, boy. Laki na niya, Mama, no, right?
Timar, delay yung flight mo. Ilang oras? Bakit na-delay? Ano oras nagpapasok?
Ay, sa Sigera? Gary. Sa Sigera.
Timar?
Delay.
Timar? Ano?
Hindi ako dito.
Bakit na-delay? Ilang oras na-delay?
Kasi daw traffic daw sa Manila, sabi ng kapitan.
Tapos, nandito ka na. Ano ba yan?
Huwag na kasi.
Ano wag na kasi? Nagbablog na eh.
Ay, kayo
Paano tayo kikita?
kasi Nathan, kailangan ng vlog.
Visit na to. Oh, nasa ka nakatapat. Huwag kang assuming. Welcome to my channel. Kaya pa ako nag-welcome eh. Pero hindi naman kayo welcome sa akin.
So, hello guys.
Kain kami ngayon ng lunch. Because sa baliktarin nyo na lang. Hindi. Charot. Nagbablog ang tao eh.
Bago na kami eh. Ba't lahat ng gamit niya, pinagmamayabang niya sa akin? Wala ba akong electric fan sa bahay? Eh, wala.
Electric fan / blower. Right? Right. Right. Yummy.
Ito yung miso.
Yan, miso soup.
Yung mga tito na.
Yummy.
Kain mo. Pwede yan. Wala nang sauce.
Yummy. Ang sarap nitong karage. Super perfect. Diba, Tinor?
Oo, ang sarap. Grabe. Ano ba?
Nandito kami kumakain sa Shiki Hototogisu. Hototogisu. Bakit? Binanggit ko lang naman ah. Gawin naman yan kay Mamor. Hi! We're going home. We're going home na, my love. Ay, sus. Ay, grabe talaga. Ay, sus. Grabe talaga.
Arty-arty.
naman yun. How? Again. Action.
Ano more? Ano?
Pauwi na ang bebe. Ay, grabe talaga. So, we're home now. Resting and then later we will going to SSS Philippine Embassy. Ang ingay! Nagbablog oh. Nagbablog yung tao oh. Nagtatrabaho oh. Magpapapalit ako ng change status, single to married, and then beneficiary. This my love. Kasi dati naka-beneficiary sa akin isang aking parents. I'm sorry, my love. So, So now, change ko sa mahal ko. Sa mahal ko? Love you. Love mami. I love you. You love me. I'm happy for you. Love you. Okay, that's all. Change outfit, everyone. Going to Philippine Embassy to change my status single to married. Yes, my love. Sorry. Hormones yan. Ay. Hi, my love. Hi. Sorry, na-disturb ang tulog. Because of Mamar. It's Mamar's fault.
It's my fault? It's my fault?
Level 16, my love.
Happy and you know, stomp your feet. Stomp. Feet.
It's okay.
Don't take my photo, huh?
No. I just
One
video
photo,
for them.
$100.
I love.
So expensive po to, ah. Sarap. Chicharon stock, ang dami. From Philippines. Thank you so much, Mamar. Thank you so much, Mamar. And this with vinegar. Sarap, man. Sino may favorite niyan? Malutong-lutong. Yummy. And then may gatas ng bata. Gatas ng bata bang namamapak. Yummy, man. Sarap ng chicharon, man. Oh, ang anghang yarn. Sausaw natin sa suka. Ang ganda ng sopa cell, guys. Di ba maganda?
Yes, of course.
Maganda. Parang siyang X-Men. Watch nyo guys, sopa cell sa Netflix. Ang anghang. Ito na po ang sinundo namin sa airport. Boom, tulog. Baksak si Inday. Baksak din si Nate. Tapos tayong dalawa. Buhay na buhay.
Tumitiyo na ng chicharon.
Gising ka na. Gising ka na. Gising ka na. I love you. I love you. What? Pogi niya na. Uy, ahem. Ahem. Sorry. Ahem. Pogi mo? You're so pogi. You're so pogi. Okay. I'm going to outro, Daddy. So I can edit already. I'm tired. So that's all for today's video. Why are you laughing? It's gonna be my work. I'm gonna help to the expenses here. Okay, so everyone is sleeping already. And yeah. So see you next vlog. I'm gonna show you them. They're sleeping in the room. So we need to be quiet because Nate is sleeping also.